Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, guys, after that red Monday candle, that's what it's telling us every time I tell it to you. Monday candle always don't count on it, because look what happened here. You saw it's been red. Now here it's breaking for us up, guys. Yes or no? And what did I told you yesterday about that candle here? What did I told you here? I told you it goes here inside bar like that. Yes or no? I told you if it came and breaking here, like how is it going now? But that candle, it hasn't closed in yet. If it's closing here, that means the Bitcoin, it will go higher, guys. Maybe till here. Everything is too clear, guys? So now here, it's showing a very, very bullish today. I don't know why. Maybe the news. I'm going to come back to you when the daily candle finishes, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscribed, my friend? Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you not yet subscribed, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be updated, my friend. It's very simple. It will not take you that much. A red button down, click at it. Turn it next to it, a bell, turn it to all, or you can even join us in Telegram channel, guys. The link of our Telegram channel is it down in the first comment, guys. You've done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. And here in the daily, guys, look at it. Here, you got a very, very clear double bottom here. If that candle closing, guys, that one which is going now, if it closes like that, you just came here, you're calculating from here, maybe it will go till here, guys, till that level here. Then we're going to see what's going to happen after that. And also every day we come to you, guys. And here in the daily, what's happening, guys? Let me show you something very important here in the daily. Where is the level of us? As we said, we're being followed, guys. Is it that one? We haven't break it, guys. It's need to be broken, that one. Yes or no? I told you it might here is going to come to it. Then it's going to fall down, guys. So it's still very, very early for us here in the daily, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it. Now what's it showing here? It's showing, is it in the top of that long-term trend, guys? Yes or no? Now, what need to happen, guys? It need to happen. You see that green candle which is going now? It need to close green. And the next candle which is coming tomorrow, it need to be green next to it. That's how us we knowing we're breaking that downtrend we used to have here. All of us, we need to enter that time. Everything is too clear, guys? And here, where we still, guys? We still in that level where we are us every time we're talking about that one here. Yes or no? We're still in the middle, guys. No one is controlling now. Both of them, they still equal, guys. Remember that. Buyers and sellers, they still equal. No one of them is winning, guys. By the way, I know you're going to tell me you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Helping us. You know that channel with how to and the other it can growing up. So please smash in the like button, writing down a comment, helping us growing up that channel, guys. You know, other people, they just bring in pictures from Google and they put it for you here and they started analyzing for them. Also, we give you analysis live for the market, guys. So helping us to growing up that channel, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Now let's go in, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, you see what's happening after here. That correction happened here. What me I told you, guys, when we used to be here. Not the last video, the previous last video, guys. A video before the last one. You go to it. I told you if you are very conservative, you wait in here to enter, yes or no? And here, what did I told you about the 4 hours, guys? What did I told you here? I told you the one, the top of that triangle, also we have here in the 4 hours, that long-term triangle. I'm going to show it to you. And I told you, look at it, it's been broken here, yes or no? I told you it came here, it touched it here. I told you now for us to know that one is getting broke, it's need that candle which is going now to break like that, guys, yes or no? So now how else we going to know that one is an uptrend, guys? It's need that candle to close where it is now, guys. And us, where did we enter, guys? Where did we enter from? We enter from here, guys. That's the power of our analysis and the people they being with us. We enter exactly from that candle. before all that broke and everything to happen, guys. I told you here in that level, here I told you to take some profit, yes or no? If you remember, people to be with us, I told you in that level to take some of the profit and to move stop lose here. Now look where we are. And where we are, guys, look with me. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? Look at it. Look here, look here, look here, and look here. Now it's need to break for us that supply and demand zone, guys, to know it the last peak here, which is the one here. Everything is too clear? And what did I told you in the last video, guys? I told you, look at the Bitcoin is going to give you here a head and shoulder, guys. Yes or no? Did it give it to you, guys? Yes. Look at it. First shoulder, the head, another shoulder. Now what you need to do? You wait in just that close here. Then we're going to see. And here in the top, guys, what we have? That one here. That one the top of a down channel, guys. You need to make a close eye at it. What the market is going to react there. So till now, the Bitcoin is showing a very, very, very stronger bullish trend. It's breaking for us that triangle also we used to have like that. And he's showing here a very healthy sign, as you see it. Go up, came down, touch it here. Now he go up, he breaking for you the last high. And also what we said before, also that trend, we know it like that. High, low, another high. And that what happened here exactly. By the way, that candle here, it's left for it 2 minutes. And that 2 minutes, what it's showing here in the top? It's showing a rejection from the top, guys. Yes or no? And also, we're still in a very, very stronger level, guys. Need to make a close eye at those things, I'm telling you. By the way, everything is too clear, guys, here. I'm going to come back to you after the daily candle close. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they're saying. Our indicator is the same thing what me I told you in the last video. I told you, look at that. Here, give you here a low. Now here he's trying to give you another high than the previous low. It needs to continue it like that, guys. If it continues the next candle, you need to wait in at the next 4 hours what it's going to tell you if it came another green, because to know is an uptrend, it needs to come like that. First candle green, next candle is green. That means the buyers they enter. But if it came to you just one green candle like that, then next to it, there is no power. That means that one, that candle is just some news happening, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. That one here, guys, what else we said? What else we said about that one? Also we enter from here down. Yes or no? We used to have here a price action. That's why we also enter here in that level. Yes or no? And what me I told you here, that the wedge I showed you before, guys. I told you we got here a triangle like that. And here, when it's being broken here, exactly in that level, he go up, he go down to test the top of the triangle, guys. Now he's showing here it's breaking the last high, guys, at last high, which is here. But what our indicator is saying, guys, it entered at the overbought area. Yes or no? So now what should you do? Here you wait in the next 4 hours, guys. If it came green, you enter long with everything. And by the way, us we are long here now. But now us we're talking about the long term trend, guys. It's going to change, and it's showing it's breaking higher here, guys. It might the Bitcoin it will go higher, guys. The first take profit, guys, is at here, at that level here. Second one is it here. I'll show you all those ones before. Told you the first take profit at 23k, second one at 25k, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. By the way, now the 4 hours candle it's finished, and now you need to see what the Bitcoin or the next candle, the next green candle, what is going to tell you, guys. Not that one we're pushing that much. We came with big volume like that. Need to wait in the next candle, what is going to tell you. And I'm going to come back to you after the daily candle finished, guys. So now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, what me I told you here. Last video, you can find it still in the channel here. What me I told. Here. Exactly here in that zone. I told you we got a down channel. And that when here it's broken, I told you need to enter. Yes or no? Here. Is it in the last channel? Yes sir. The last video, guys. From here, exactly I told you to enter. What the Bitcoin done here. Look at it. It give you here a head and shoulder. Very clear. Head and shoulder here, and I'll show you even that one because last video being here. I told you like that if it continues as I came and breaking for you the top here, you enter long. What happened? It's breaking here. I told you to take profit, it needs to be here. Did it bring it or no? Exactly, my friend. Look at it. From here till here. That's why us, we are professional traders. That's how us we making money. We don't believe in blah, 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 blah. Us, we follow our analysis. And that's why people, they trusting in us. Because us, we give you highly accurate signals. We don't copy from anyone. Also, we give you our analysis. We just open for you the chat and we started talking to you. There is no script, no nothing. Everything is too clear. And what I told you here at the 4 hours, guys. What did I told you here? I told you about the top of that triangle, the down triangle we used to have here. Look at it. It came here to that level here. He came lower. He touched here. Yes or no? He touched here. Now look at it. He go up, guys. Here in 30 minutes, it's showing it's breaking. Let me be honest with you. Here in 30 minutes, it's showing it's breaking. So what should you do here in 30 minutes? Here in 30 minutes, it's too dangerous for you to buy here. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders. It's too dangerous for you to buy there. Because look where we are. We are here at the overbought area, guys. The past videos, guys, I think Saturday or Sunday video, will be in here. Then I told you there is a correction going to happen and you try to enter from the lower. And that's what's happening. Look at it. We enter here. Look where we are. Now here, I'm going to tell it to you now. Our indicator is showing us we are at the overbought area. Yes or no? Second thing, we are in a very stronger supply and demand. Did we got any price action here? No. So there is no entry short, guys. It's need here to give us a price action, guys. For us to enter short here in 30 minutes. Everything is so clear? So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.